Here in the port of Gdynia, we are doing some capital dredging works to deepen the port until 16 meters. And we also perform some backfilling works in order to elevate other areas and guarantee the stability of certain quay walls. Together with our subcontractor, we installed bottom reinforcements at various quay walls and also on top of a fuel pipeline that is running through the port. The project is important because it will increase the depth in the port and at the various quay walls. This means that then the port of Gdynia, after the works, can receive bigger container ships and bulk carriers. This also means that new investments can be attracted and that extra jobs can be created. And of course, all of this contributes also to the further development, not only of the port, but also of the city as a whole. The most challenging part of our project is the fact that the works are located inside an active port. So this means it is essential to communicate openly and also that we have to be very flexible in our planning on a daily basis.
So because of the project specific of the harbor, we had to mobilize quite extensive and diverse fleet. It is the maiden project of COZET. The requirements of the design and the client, same as Polish regulations, made us the decision to mobilize COZET, the water injection dredger, and we are very happy with the results. What I liked about the project most, it's the diversity of the scope that we did, plus the social part, the great team, and also working close to my hometown make it very special for me.
What I like in particular about the Gdynia project is that besides the dredging and the backfilling works, where we have already some more experience with, that also some rather new experiences we had here. I'm thinking in particular about the bottom reinforcements. This added some extra spice and punch to the whole working experience, and that is normally something that any Jan de Nul member can appreciate.